कितनी अजीब सी बात है ना, कभी कभी रास्ते में कुछ ऐसे लोग मिलते हैं जो अनजाने होते हुए भी कुछ अपने से लगते हैं, और कुछ लोग जो इतना पास होके भी बहुत दूर हो जाते हैं। और शायद इसीलिए कुछ सफ़र दिखते नहीं, बस महसूस होते हैं।
इतनी भी गर्मी नहीं है गुरु। अरे मैम डिमांड पे डिमांड दे देंगे।
क्या है याक? और इस ट्रैक पे मिला हमें एक ऐसा दोस्त जो बोल तो नहीं सकता था, लेकिन ना उसने हमसे कुछ वादे किए, ना उसकी कुछ शर्तें थी, पर साथ पूरा दिया।
ये अपना पूरा मतलब लगेज जो था, जो पूरा सेटलमेंट होगा, स्टे, फूड, स्लीपिंग के जो भी अकोमोडेशन रहता है वो पूरा ये कैरी करके चलते हैं 6 मंथ तक।
So guys, we have reached. We are taking a break.
मैंने भी उतार दिया ये।
I am exhausted. How are you feeling?
ज्यादा खा रहा है यार ये।
वेरी गुड।
You guys?
हालत खराब है बहुत ज्यादा।
तो बस इस तरह कुछ लोग, एक ट्रैक और रास्ते में बहुत सारे पल। इस बेस कैंप साइट, और शायद इस ट्रैक का असली मतलब ही है जो मिले जैसे मिले, बस दिल से महसूस करना। So hi guys and welcome back to my channel and join me on this part 2 of my Triund trek experience, Dharamshala, India. And don't forget to hit subscribe for stories that stay. तो जैसे आपने लास्ट वीडियो में देखा, वी ऑल completed the Triund trek from McLeodganj till all the way to the top at Triund. Deepo! Now, it was exhausting but an amazing experience. और हम सब काफ़ी थक गए थे, लेकिन एक अलग सा ही सुकून था इस मिनी एडवेंचर में। और ज़रूरी है क्या हमेशा मैक्स एडवेंचर ढूंढना? ये भी तो कोई कम स्टार्ट नहीं है। और वैसे भी हर सफर को एडवेंचर कहना जरूरी नहीं। So guys, time to go. And yeah, got a very wonderful stop and it's getting very chilly. So I got my jacket out. So beautiful. I really hope we can see the stars, but just check it out. Check out the view. Yes guys, I think we are going to the base camp. No, sorry, this is the base camp and we are going to the camp with the trekking group that I came with. And yeah, absolutely beautiful. It's something you cannot describe in words. It was so hard to come up here. I thought I would not make it, but... And this is supposedly a very easy trek. I know it might be easy for some people, but that's how it is. Oh, I think they're already on the way. Check that out. Yeah, they're already going. So yeah, I need to go catch them up. And we have to climb another hill. And yeah, just I just want to get another look. Wow. I mean, that's beautiful. This guy is moving. Oh. And also on the right side, we have the city of Dharamshala. Wow. So yeah, just another top. How's it? Look at Deepu. How are you liking it?
Good. But I'm feeling too cold, bhai. My hands are like
I think it's getting too cold.
I'm feeling very यही खोया
I think we need to go to the
क्या
camp quickly. और आज काफी दिनों के बाद ये वक्त कैसे बीत रहा था? All slow and steady. और लास्ट टाइम कब था? When you felt that at home? Maybe you did or maybe you did not. But क्या ये इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है? खुद से मिलना और खुद की सुनना. और वैसे भी किसी ने बहुत फेमसली कहा है, मुझे अपने दिल की आवाज़ अपने कानों तक सुनाई देनी चाहिए.
चलोगे?
Say hi.
Hi.
This is Shreya, Anshul, Harsh. So guys, we have been trekking together. And yeah, time to get some chai, right? Guys, are you ready?
Yes.
See guys, everyone's ready for chai all the time. So this is India for you if you are coming to India, and please don't call it chai latte. Please call it chai. Also guys, I just wanted to tell you.
और naan bread. ये क्या मतलब?
Yeah, so chai tea literally means chai twice.
याक होगा?
क्या है yak? Did we spot a yak? If it's a yak, but something.
देख ली थी.
No, I think it's normal cows.
ट्वेंटी का ही फर्क है. It is not like कि बहुत ज़्यादा drastic difference है.
Let's see, we'll get to the camp by Himtrek and we'll get some tea. I think it can be a bison. No guys, we spotted some, what do you call it? और आसमां धीरे धीरे रंग बदल रहा था. कभी कभी सोचता हूँ, maybe life does not get easier, but it does mean something when you're not walking it alone. और ऐसे ही बातें करते करते सफ़र कब ढलने लगा पता ही नहीं चला. Guys, we left at 12 p.m. and it's 7 p.m. right now, and it's been 7 hours. It's just, how do you feel?
It's extremely cold.
Yeah, it's gotten colder, but how do you feel like? Let's just reach the base camp. I think the sunset is almost done, right?
7:30 के बता रहे थे.
I think 7:30 is the exact sunset, but yeah. I just desperately want some tea. And we'll be done.
सही जा रहे हैं.
So guys, we're almost reached at our camps, and I wanted to share some information which might be helpful for you. So we are doing this trek with Himtrek. I think it's one of the most popular ones, and I think they have the most like their trek is where you go towards the top. You can see, as I was saying, so their camp is the furthermost. So if you like, this will take you an additional 30 minutes from the base point, or where, what do you call it, the base, and this is the farthest, and this is really the true top. So maybe that is something you want to keep in mind, but I think this is one of the good ones. Again, I've not traveled with anyone else, but that's what I think. So yes, I just wanted to share this information about how much this will cost you. So this should ideally cost you around 1,000 rupees, or that is around $12 or 11 or 10 euros. That is how much it should cost you. And no, in dollars it might be close to 12, 13, 14, I don't know. So that is the amount, and that includes the camping place, dinner, and also tomorrow's breakfast. Maybe nothing fancier, but I think good enough. And they will also have the tour guide. You will have a group, so you can meet more people while you do this. So I would recommend that, because I think if you do solo, that's a different kind of hiking experience. But that's totally your call. And you can book it through, I think, by just directly calling them, and they will send you a payment link. They will ask you for an advance of around 400 to 500 rupees, and you should be good to go. So there might also be at times a 200 rupee permit, So that is something they might charge separately, but also depends. So yeah, hope this helps and see you at the camp. So guys, the base campsite. तो कैंप पहुंचने के बाद हमने किया एक अच्छा सा चाय का कप एंजॉय, और गरम चाय और पहाड़ों का तो वैसे भी बहुत पुराना रिश्ता है। और कितने दिनों के बाद महसूस किया कि शाम कैसे होती है। Everything just kind of slowed down, slow enough to hear what our heart has to say. It was surreal. Guys, this is the food. How's the food?
Food coma.
Anshul?
Thank you, Hendrik.
Food very nice. Same to tell you.
Share is done, I think.
Anna, कैसा है?
It is very nice and we were so happy.
नाम नहीं लिया होगा, सुबह क्यों बोला?
पनीर
तो क्या बना रहे हो फाइनली, बता दो इसमें।
पूरी भाजी, आलू पूरी। अरे मैम डिमांड पे डिमांड दे देंगे। क्या प्रूफ ले रहे हो मेरा?
नहीं
कि जो अभी बोला है वही बनेगा कि नहीं।
अच्छा। वो तो
आपको जिस पे मेहनत कम लगती है वो कौन सी है?
भैया के किचन में डेमोक्रेसी चलती है। उनने सबसे पूछा क्या करना है, पर किया अपना।
हर किचन की तरह।
अगली सुबह उठने के बाद हमने जो एक्सपीरियंस किया, दैट मेड दिस होल एक्सपीरियंस टोटली वर्थ इट। ज़्यादा तो नहीं, पर हमें मिली हल्की हल्की ठंडी हवा और धुंधला सा सूरज, और हम सब चाय पर अपने किस्से साथ बांट रहे थे तो हम सब अजनबी, पर उस मोमेंट सब अपने जैसे थे। लेकिन लाइक ऑल गुड थिंग्स, फिर से निकलने का वक्त हो चुका था। Welcome back to another day. So it is very tiring and now we are heading back, but it's been a very tiring yet it's been a great journey, I would say. And just check out the view.
इतनी भी गर्मी नहीं है गुरु।
So guys, we are taking a break.
मैंने भी उतार दिया ये।
I am exhausted. How are you feeling?
ज्यादा खा रहा है यार।
Very good.
You guys?
हालत खराब है, बहुत ज्यादा।
I am the
He is the most unhealthiest person in our group right now.
No, I am the oldest. My biological age is around 45. So I am sorry guys, but this is.
Photo है।
आज कानपुर में 11 बार।
ठीक है, come on. So guys, we are leaving.
अगर घूमना नहीं है ना, तो चिल होके आराम से उतरते हैं।
हाँ यार, 2 के 3 लग जाएंगे, क्या फर्क है?
अगर घूमना है तो चिल, या फिर जल्दबाजी करें।
So guys, we are leaving. Tune. Guys, you want to say something?
Bye, June. It was very nice experience and
It was
first
a
camp.
one-time worth it experience.
So guys, we'll just get down now, slowly and steadily, right? And this is the way. Yes. So guys, the dog we were feeding, it's actually going down with us. I don't know if you can check it. Oh, there he goes. Oh, there he goes. ये कैसी आवाज है भैया? ये कहाँ स्पीति जाएंगे अभी?
ये स्पीति के लिए निकलेंगे यहाँ से। ये मतलब यहाँ से स्पीति पहुँचते पहुँचते अभी 2 मंथ लेंगे। ये पूरा चुगाते हुए 10-10 दिन स्पेंड करके और निकलेंगे यहाँ।
Wow. So guys, as we're going around, you can, I don't know, hear some voices. I don't know. Listen.
भेड़ और बकरियाँ।
A lot of voices. Everyone's asking what's happening. So guys, we spotted them.
कुछ नहीं कहेंगी वो आ जा
So guys, they're migrating, I think. We are at there. Look at Dibu. The Bakri place with our Dogesh. Look at it. Our new friends. All of them. Guys, the sound they are making, the sheeps. I hope I can make you hear it. Let's. They're here. Wait. 1 second. Make some noises.
और भी है वही बहुत सारे
So I think we should not get in the way. I don't want to get them angry. Guys, we've reached 500-meter mark and we are surrounded by them. We're surrounded.
ये अपना पूरा मतलब लगेज जो पूरा सेटलमेंट होगा, स्टे, फूड, स्लीपिंग के जो भी अकोमोडेशन रहता है वो पूरा ये कैरी करके चलते हैं 6 मंथ तक।
Wow.
वो इनका वो देखो, इसको बोलते हैं चिक्का।
चिक्का क्या है? चिक्का?
इसमें इनका पूरा इंक्लूड रहेगा, मतलब वो कंबल, ब्लैंकेट वगैरह सब
पूरा 6 महीने के लिए?
पूरा 6 मंथ का, पूरा खाने से बनाने से लेके हर एक चीज,
ओके।
बर्तन से लेके।
दिखाना ना कहाँ है?
अच्छा लाए कौन ली? ये चौपड़ खत्ते मार ले। बस लौड़े खेलना। एक्चुअली डर रही नहीं हो।
अच्छा। So guys, look at the whole view. It's so beautiful. And the dog is going with us. यार वो कहाँ तक आ रहा है हमारे साथ? जिसको हमने वो बिस्किट दिए थे। And you know what made it even more special? The little friend who walked with us. Without a word, just there. Sometimes the best companions are the ones you don't expect. And he came out of nowhere, stayed a while with us, but most importantly, he became part of our story. So far, if you've liked the journey, please subscribe. So guys, almost at the halfway. It's very cloudy. Wow. So yeah, let's get going. I'm really tired again. Oh. Let's see how much time it takes more to get down. Guys, we're almost at the half mark, right, Dibu?
Yep.
And check it out. There's a divine nature cafe. क्या? हाँ?
अखरोट, वॉलनट जो होता है।
हाँ, देखने दीबो।
ये जो पत्तियां हैं, जैसे ये पत्ती है, इसको ऐसे फोल्ड करना है, ऐसे करके, और रगड़ना है दांत के साथ।
Do you find?
Mint leaves, apricot leaves.
Oh guys, see. Why are you eating it?
Because I like it.
खा सकते हैं इसे?
हाँ।
यार चाय वाय में तो डालते हैं, लेकिन ठीक है।
ये मतलब इनका मतलब गैस्ट्रिक वगैरह वो प्रॉब्लम होता है ना,
हाँ।
तो उसके लिए भी यूज होता है।
इनो
इनो
या पुदीना रहा।
पुदीना रहा।
Now we have reached the halfway point and I'm doing local, क्या बोलते हैं इसे? दातून. The local medicinal toothbrush.
दातून ब्रश।
Tell me how I look. Please comment. These guys have a death wish. They're on the edge. Yeah.
देखो तो ऐसा कुछ है नहीं यहाँ पे।
Oh, sorry to say, guys. Not a death wish.
आराम से बैठ सकते हो।
और यहाँ ना मैं किसी को जानता था, ना कोई मुझे। शायद सफ़र हमें एक दूसरे को ट्रस्ट करना सिखाता है। काश शहरों में भी हम ये कर पाते। We've reached Finally, get away. Hello. We are almost towards the bottom. I think it's another 40 minutes or 1 hour from here. But look at the view. Yeah. See what happens when we get down. I think we need to take a cab again from the Gallu temple. That's where we started the trek, and that is where we're going to end it. And also we'll meet our trek group. I know this trek is about to end, but this trek feels endless. Why is this trek endless? Guys, I'm done. If you can please lift me from here to Delhi, I will be very happy. So guys, we have reached the Triumph trek. जहाँ हमने फोटो ली थी आपने.
तो बस यही है ट्रिउंड, जो आपको मौका देता है फोन से हटके खुद को सुनने का.
Finally guys, finally.
वो भी बिना किसी शोर के.
Trek over हो गया, है ना? Finally, so relieved, and people are still going up. People are waiting to go up.
So if you like the journey, please subscribe, and I'm sure we'll meet again.